Yes, my dear friends, welcome to all of you to Yourpedia. And yes, you have a golden opportunity to join in Indian Oil, right? You can fill your career with Indian Oil. So, my dear friends, you know what the golden opportunity you have. Especially here, I talk about the mechanical segment. Earlier to that, you talk about before 2025. In the engineer segment, they are going to be recruited through the gate. But that is the first time for the officer post that exam is going to be conducted separately without gate, right? So that is and it is a golden opportunity to all of you. Why? Because sometimes what is happening, because of any reasons your gate exam is not going to be good, so whole year is going to be wasted, right? तो ये आपके लिए एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है जो विदाउट गेट के थ्रू हो रहा है, अपना ये सेपरेट एग्जाम कराएगा, तो आपके लिए अच्छा चांस है यहाँ पे करने के लिए. नो one question I am getting lot of from the various sources, WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, YouTube comment section. Sir, in the mechanical segment, what type of question I can expect in the officer post? For the officer post, I want to make sure that is video only for the officer post. I will make a separate video for the diploma level exam, that is JEO post. I will make a separate video, right? So here my video is dedicated for the engineers officer, and here we can say graduate engineer. That in that segment I will discuss, right? So first question, and yes, my dear friends, hopefully most of the seat you will expect in the mechanical segment. So yeah, you have a better chances that time. All of you have better chances. Last year there was more number of vacancy for the chemical, but that time this is for the mechanical, right? Could be, I think it could be. So my dear friends, now the first question is that, sir, how I can understand that year which type of question IOCL is going to be asked. So first thing, which one is going to be conduct that exam? So IBPS, right? And now see which exam earlier to that IBPS has conducted for the technical post. So if you have remember, recently we have given the exam HPCL officer post also, HPCL JU also, HPCL officer. So if you do the analysis of HPCL officers, I have talked a lot of students, and they have whatever they have given the feedback there, I will come their feedback with here. That is the basically there will be the conclusion of the student there कि किस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आएगा, कैसे हमें पढ़ना है, क्या पार्ट को हमें अच्छा से करना पड़ेगा, एंड यस मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट which subject is most important. I will give the list of 5 most important subject for the mechanical engineers that you have to be deal. तो यहाँ पे देखो, we can see total number of technical question. We can 50 question will be there. It is clearly mentioned 50 question, out of which if you talk about IBPS, right, officer post, they are going to be, you can expect at least 15 to 20 question numerical question, and there will be 30 to 35 that is theory based question. Now again a student can ask, sir, theory based question में कैसा question आएगा, which kind of question they can ask in the theory based, and yes, which type of question they can ask in the numerical based type of question. That's why my dear friends, I have came here with some sample question, and that is some question which has been asked before that in HPCL officer post. There are few question I have taken, and on the basis of that what different types of question they can frame on the numerical part as well as theoretical part. मैं ये लेके आया हूँ, ये सारा मैं आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ कैसे करना है, नहीं करना है. And yes, since you have approximate 1.5 months till now, so how you have to prepare for that exam, and yes, most important, how the Yourpedia can help you, right? तो ये सारा चीज़ें क्वेश्चन मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ कैसा आया हुआ था HPCL का जो हमारा ऑफिसर था उसमें, और आप में कैसा आ सकता है, राइट? सो नो कम टू हियर फर्स्ट. चलो यहाँ हम बात करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट हियर वी कैन सी, देखो, so as I told you 30 to 35 question, that will be the totally theoretical based, and 15 to 20 question will be the numerical. Now the question is that which type of theoretical question they can ask. So देखो, theoretical question if you talk about their difficulty level, my dear friends, that will moderate to difficult, or some question will be easy. Obviously out of 30-35 questions, some question you can expect 5 to 7 question is very easy. After that moderate and tough question will get. I am not talking about numerical part here, numerical I will talk separately. So यहाँ पे जो theoretical question होगा like that is comes under the category of easy question, like according to Newton's law of viscosity, shear stress is directly proportional to, and yes you have some option. तो ये question आपको easy question है, जो कि आपको कुछ easy question में category में आपको दिखेगा. Now that could be the moderate level question, like that is the question from the production. How does notching differ from the punching? नोचिंग जो है पंचिंग से कैसे डिफरेंट है, हाउ यू कैन डिफरेंशिएट, एंड यस सम ऑप्शन इज गिवन देयर. राइट. सो दैट क्वेश्चन यू कैन कीप लिटिल बिट मॉडरेट लेवल. इजी तो नहीं बोलेंगे, थोड़ा सा मॉडरेट, बिकॉज यू हैव टू बी गो लिटिल बिट डीपर इन द सब्जेक्ट. अगर आप डीपर नहीं जा रहे हो देन आई डोंट थिंक यू आर एबल टू सॉल्व दैट क्वेश्चन. So you have to be go deeper for that type of theoretical question I talk about. Now, yes, I have given the answer. I am not going to explain right now. That is another question. Area under the TS diagram. That is again very easy question. All of the student can give the answer. But yes, little bit they have, you know, option के साथ they have play with the option like that. Here we can say heat transfer for the reversible process, heat transfer for the irreversible process. Here a student little bit can get confused. यार एरिया अंडर मेरे को तो पता है हीट ट्रांसफर है, बट किसके लिए? रिवर्सिबल के लिए, इरिवर्सिबल के लिए. लिटिल बिट स्टूडेंट कैन कंफ्यूज देयर. सो अनदर टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन जिसमें ऑप्शन में दे कैन यू नो लिटिल बिट यू नो मेक अ कंफ्यूजिंग ऑप्शन. क्वेश्चन आपको इतना पता है आपको कि हीट ट्रांसफर होगा, यू नो, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑप्शन इफ यू मूव तब आपको कंफ्यूजन स्टार्ट होगा, अरे बाबा रिवर्सिबल है या इरिवर्सिबल होगा. Right, okay, I will come on that. And as I tell you my dear friends, there is one discussion in the description. There is a WhatsApp link is given, which is free to all of you, in which every day I am going to be share the free content according to the that pattern which you can expect in the IBPS. सभी subject का that is totally free. Every day means every day I am going to share the content in which learning content will be there. Along with that, I am going to share the expected question according to the you know exam requirement. So please join that you know group also. WhatsApp group you can join. This is the next question. The change in entropy when absorbed by the change in entropy when heat is absorbed by the gas. Simple question. That is another we can say simple question. This is the next question. The effect of generation on efficiency and work output for the Brayton cycle. Regeneration you talk about है ना. Regeneration करने से तो क्या होगा? Output the effect of regeneration on efficiency and work output of the you know Brayton cycle is that. And yes, that is again we can say easy to moderate question. So theoretical question mostly we can see easy to moderate, and yes, some tougher question they may ask, some difficult, some light. Out of 35 question you can expect 7 to 8 question which will be very tougher question. Tougher means multiple concept could be involved there. You have to be go much more deeper in the subject, right? Here I have given, this is the next question. For same compression ratio, the thermal efficiency, and you have given the some option, right? That is the some type of you can expect the theoretical you know theoretical question. Now the question is that numerical type of question, and that play the crucial role in your selection dear. I am telling you, ये जो भी बच्चा भी तैयारी किया है नो रिसेंट डेज, बहुत सारा एग्जाम हुआ है, HPCL का हुआ है, अभी आप BL का हुआ था, अभी इसके बाद आप बात करो कौन सा अभी कोल इंडिया को होने वाला है, तो ये सब लाइनअप में स्टूडेंट है. तो मुझे लगता है थ्योरेटिकल क्वेश्चन मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट कैन डू, आइदर इट इज इजी, टफ और मॉडरेट, मोस्टली स्टूडेंट कैन एबल टू डू. नाउ द रोल विल प्ले इन द न्यूमेरिकल टाइप क्वेश्चन, because student usually fear from that numerical segment. So numerical segment can be 3 types of questions they can frame. As I asked the student, as I discussed several students which was appeared in the HPCL officer post, and according to that I am going to be give some conclusion here. Like that, one type of question is that dear my dear friends, that is the one type of question that an engineering plant required 10,000 unit for a component annually, and the ordering cost is given and the holding cost is given. What is the economical order quantity? That is again numerical, but that is called easy numerical. You don't have to do anything, just substitute the value in the formula, and you will be able to answer. That is an easy type numerical, and all of you can do, I think. Yes. Now come, if you talk about another type of question here, that is again we can say the easy type of question. A steel rod of uniform cross section area is given, length is given, is rigidly held between two you know unyielding support. The temperature of the rod is increased by delta T, this is given. If the coefficient of thermal expansion alpha is known, Young's modulus of elasticity is known, the magnitude of compressive stress developed in the rod, and you know thermal stress is E alpha delta T. Again that is easy type of question, in which what you have to do, just put the value, given value in the formula, and little bit your calculation is good, will get the answer easily. By solving that we will get 120 here. Now come another type of question. This is again question which comes under the category of easy to moderate, we can say easy to moderate question. A vertical rectangular gate of width 2 meter and height 3 meter is submerged in water such that its upper edge coincides with the free surface of the water. taking density of water, this is given 1000 kg per meter cube, acceleration due to gravity is given, the total hydrostatic force acting on the gate, and you know this is rho g ah bar is given, and put the value and will get the answer. So that was the few questions which has been asked by IBPS, that is based on the memory, little bit data could be changed, but the question language and all the thing was like that. Now come to the another question, next type of question. What is the next type of question? Now see that question, my dear friends. In the compression, if the compression ratio of an engine working on Otto cycle is increased 5 to 7, then the percentage increase in the efficiency will be, what will be? Which type of question you think about, my dear friends? I know you have remember efficiency formula for the Otto cycle, you have remember 1 minus 1 upon r ke power gamma minus 1, but now the question is that, my dear friends, can you able to calculate 5 ke power 1.4 minus 1, so it is coming 1 minus 1 upon 5 ke power 0.4. Now tell me, do you think you are able to solve that value without calculator? Obviously no, right? So it will be difficult. Suppose in the numerical, if this value is not given here, then how you are able to solve that question? Obviously you will not able to solve that type of question, है ना? तो इसको what you have to do, I am telling you that type of question only 5 to 10% of question is coming like that, only 5 to 10. In that time I am telling you, either you practice a lot or otherwise you can leave that type of question. And now 5 ke power 0.4, it is very difficult to calculate you, it will take a lot of time, so you can leave that question. Yes, how I am able to solve that question? Suppose in the data, if they will give take the value of 5 ke power 0.4, take the value and this value is given, then I think little bit it will be easier. Otherwise in that scenario you are not able, not even you, not a single student can able to solve. Okay, agar koi tukka laga le, that is different things. Now see another question. A mixture of gas expand from 0.3 meter cube to 0.06 meter cube at a constant pressure of 1 megapascal, absorb 84 kilojoule of heat during the process. The change in internal energy of the mixture. So yes, that is again easy question. dq equal to du plus dw. On that concept you have to be solve that question and easily you are able to solve. So just see, this is that type of easy question. So practice that type of question, and yes, if some difficult question is also coming, since I am telling you, you have 1.5 months right now, so try to practice some difficult question. Easy question you are able to solve, so try to solve some difficult question. Now see, another type of question is there, that again you can keep under the category of easy question. Now see that question, that is the question from the theory of machine. Question is that during an experiment of a single degree of freedom undamped mechanical system, the successive peak amplitude recorded on a displacement time trace x is given 12 mm, and you know what is this, and x6 is given here 1.5 mm, right? If the mass of the system is given, the stiffness is given, determine the damping coefficient of the system. Now in that case, my dear friends, logarithmic decrement is given, delta equal to 1 upon n ln x upon xn plus 1. Now again we can say, if in the value ln 12 upon 1.5 is not known, then how you could be able to solve? That's why its value should be given in the question. If this value is given, ln 8 is there, ln 8 is given, then you are able to solve. Otherwise, that's why I'm telling you one thing what you can do. Keep in mind something, ln we can say 2 to ln 6, try to remember their value, it will help you. Directly they are going to ask like that type of question. So if you have remembered that value ln 2 to ln 6, so I think it could little bit help you in the exam, right? So that is, if you don't have remember, you cannot proceed after that. After that, see how much calculation is there. Suppose if you have remembered that value, after that see how much calculation is there, and without calculator it will take at least I think 7 minutes, not less than that. 5 to 7 minutes they will consume, right? If that type of question. So currently what you have to do, whatever PDF that I am going to provide you, जो आपको फ्री ग्रुप में मिल रहा है, उसमें मैं इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन इंटेंशनली डाल रहा हूँ. ट्राई टू स्पीड अप योर ट्राई टू इंक्रीज योर स्पीड, अपना स्पीड को बढ़ाओ थोड़ा सा. इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन है, बार बार प्रैक्टिस करो एंड ट्राई टू इम्प्रूव दैट, राइट? क्योंकि आप कितना क्वेश्चन छोड़ सकते हो, कुछ क्वेश्चन ऐसा आएगा एंड इफ यू वांट टू गेट सिलेक्टेड तो थोड़ा अच्छा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो हियर अगेन वी कैन सी दैट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन. हियर सी इन द क्वेश्चन व्हाट in here see which type of question is there. A flat belt drive transfer power from pulley of diameter d is given, rotating n is given, angle of wrap is given 160, okay, and their radian it is also given in the form of radian, and coefficient of friction is given, the maximum allowable tension in the belt, this is given, right. Compute the maximum power that can be transmitted. Power is what? T1 minus T2 into omega v. So velocity you can calculate. Now see here, e ke power mu theta, if in the question mu theta and e ke power mu theta value is not known, you are not able to again solve, right, that type of question again. That's why its value should be there, it will be easy. Here see my dear friends, that is third type of question. What third type of question? That you can solve in the exam. Here see, whatever data is required, that is given in the question. That was a few type of question जिसमें given data था. Here we can see Taylor tool life equation for a turning operation, Vt के power 0.25 is given 150, where V is cutting speed in the meter per minute, T is the tool life in the minute. If the cutting speed is increased by 20%, calculate the percentage decrease in the tool life. Decrease in the tool life. Now here you can see clearly given 1.2 ke power 4, you can take approximate 2. You can take the exact 2, and 1 upon 2.0736, that value is given 0.4823. Yes, that is easy question, I can say. Not easy, but compared to other question, that is solvable. You are able to solve because whatever data is required, that is given there. तो ऐसा भी क्वेश्चन आता है, उस पर आप ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करो, ऐसे आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो. So here we can say Taylor tool life equation was V1 T1 ka power n equal to V2 T2 ka power n. Here we can see by solving that the value is coming out to be 1 upon 1.2 ka power 4. So 1 upon 1.2 ka power 4, and in the question directly that value is given. So it will be easy to solve, a little bit easy will be there. So that is third type of question. So one type of numerical question will be which is easy, directly formula based, substitute the value and we will get the answer. Another type is that little bit more calculation is there, but whatever complicated thing is there, their value will be given. It will take more time, but practice is needed for that type. Third type of question is that here in which ln exponentially involved in the question and their value is not given. In that question 5% that type of question will come, and I will suggest you right now try to solve that type of question, but in the exam you can leave that type of question because that has been asked in IBPS, right, earlier to HPCL. So practice on that type of question dear. I will share the question in which required data will be given. So that type of question you have to be do practice and try to improve your speed or calculation speed. You have to be improved, especially for the officer post. Now I am telling you which is the 5 most important subject. 5 most important subject to talk about for the officer post. So these are in the IOCL fluid mechanics and hydraulic machine. इसके बाद you talk about thermal engineering, means here I am going to be talk about compressor, boiler, right, RSE, power plant, all I am going to be conclude here. Strength of material, and yes, if you talk about any exam, production, his production उसका अपना ही weightage है. So production and material science, you have to focus more on that subject. Yes, that never means कि rest subject you have to believe. Yes, you have to do all the subject, but here in that 5 subject you have to be focused more, right? And where you will get the practice question for all of that, as I am telling you already, I have told you there is a in the description of that YouTube video one WhatsApp group link is given which is free to all of you. You can join there, and in the mechanical segment daily I am going to share the content according to the requirement of the exam.